Hootsuite is a social media management tool that allows you to post to many different social media accounts with one post. It's a great little tool. I use it for clients all the time. I'm actually going to do this on a client account to show you how it works. But without talking about it, you can go to Hootsuite yourself and learn more about it. It's a great tool to manage your social media, and I'd encourage you to check it out. So here we're going to go ahead and log into Hootsuite. You know, you would already have created your account. That would be a separate video that we do here. And, of course, we're going to log in, and it's going to take a minute because we're doing a video here, so it's going to take longer than it did the last time in rehearsal or whatever. And here we go. So we're on Liz Ann's page. She's my client. This is a title company in New Jersey. And what we're going to do, today's Friday the 13th, and we can certainly put business posts up, but I also think that it's important to put up a little bit of just fun stuff. And today's Friday the 13th, April 13th, 2012. So I went and I did a Google search, and I'll click back on the side here. You know, I have a wide monitor, so, you know, I did a Google search on Friday the 13th. Here's the movie stuff, Wikipedia. Here's a cool one that I liked, How Stuff Works, How Friday the 13th Works. And it talks a little bit about the mathematical part of it. And it also has a great little thing in here, paracaudectophobia. That word, and that's probably paracaudectophobia, is fear of Friday the 13th, a little bit more than triskaidekaphobia, fear of the number 13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just put a message, and it's going to go to this client's Facebook business page, to their LinkedIn feed, and to their Twitter feed. So they're going to, you know, as an update in LinkedIn, so they're going to get it out to all three of their main social networks. And what I thought I would do is just, you know, create a post, you know, do you know what, and then there's that word. I'm going to copy this word, and then I'm going to go over here. Do you know what paracaudectophobia is? Question mark. So I'm going to go back over here and click on and copy the link. Click copy. Go back over here. Put the link in. Now, the other cool thing that Hootsuite does for you is it shrinks down the links. One of the things that I heard from somebody this week when I was talking about using Twitter was they have big links to copy. And there are a couple of ways to solve this problem. That would be another video as well. You know, we've got 2 other videos we have to create because of this video. But I'm just going to click shrink, and what it does, it makes it into a OW.ly shortened link. It also gives you tracking on that. So now we're set. That's all we're going to post. And we're going to post it to Liz Ann's Facebook page, her Twitter, and her LinkedIn. And you'll see over here it's already created what it's going to look like on her Facebook page. We've got what it's going to say up at the top here. We've got a great little picture. Sometimes if you look down here, this may be a bad example. Often you'll have more than one image to choose from. I recommend that you take a little bit of time and choose a great image that's going to get people's attention. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get rid of this How Stuff Works and clean that up so you can edit over here. That's the point I'm trying to make as well. How Friday the 13th works. And here's a little blurb. You could edit this if you wanted to. I'm not going to. I think what it says is fine, and it's short and to the point. So no problem there at all. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to actually now schedule this. So I'm going to click on here, and it's 8:57. I'm going to want to have this go out today, the 13th, at 9:30. I figure everybody will be into work by then. Maybe they'll have their Facebook on. You know, if not, they'll catch it sometime in the near future. The other cool thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let it know it's going to send me an email when it's sent. And this is good. As I have met, this one will go right to this client. I won't get a copy of it, but I'm more concerned that my client knows that it went out, or, you know, if you're managing it for, you know, your whole company and you want to make sure the owner of the company knows that there's stuff on Facebook so they can check it out. It gives you a good way to notify them. What I often do for clients is we set up a Gmail account for all of this stuff. Then from your Gmail account, you can forward it to other people, or you can set up your email to check the Gmail account. So you know that you can send these emails notifications really to multiple people. So I'm going to click schedule, and the message is scheduled. Now, if I go over here, I created a tab, and it's called pending. And this says, this tells me that these are ready to go. Sending at 9:30, April 13th, 9:30, April 13th, scheduled at 9:30, April 13th. So these are all set to go. So I've made the posts. They're going to post at 9:30. I'm done. I could do this for the whole week. If I wanted to make 3 or 4 posts and plan them out, I could put them all in there for the whole week, maybe spend half an hour to an hour doing it, and I would have great social media content working. Now, this doesn't take away from the fact that you need to monitor it. And especially when you put something up like this, people may make comments on it. It's important that you re-engage. So you need to check it at least a couple of times a day so you stay engaged with your followers on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. So that wraps it up. Just a quick demonstration on how to make a post using Hootsuite to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and schedule it all at once. Thank you very much. I'm Chris Ripley with the Strategic Marketing Group.